What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and today we want to be taking a look at that new post that UFO361 posted on his Instagram account. You requested this look a lot, and actually it's made out of 3 different types of looks. Actually, the first one is this kind of blurry look. I've also did a tutorial on that already. It's the light trails tutorial. I'll link it right here right now, so go check that out if you want that look. The second part is just a normal picture where we're going to change the color, what we're going to do in this tutorial, so that you can recreate this color of this look that he posted. And the third thing is this kind of deformation look where everything kind of looks as if it was squeezed inside of the middle, and that's also something that we're going to do right now. So let's start off with the color look of this one right here. I want to help you recreate these colors that he uses right here to every one of your Instagram posts. It's also cool to take shots in a parking garage because now in the winter the weather isn't really always perfect for taking pictures, so it's a cool way to work around that. Go into a parking garage and copy this style right here and use the colors that we're going to do in this tutorial. Now, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. It's on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in that all presets pack with over 100 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures. There are also many more UFO361 presets in that pack, and the cool thing about the all presets pack is that you will be getting new presets on a weekly basis, so it's a growing pack. Just pay it once and you'll get new presets every week. It's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, also make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. And of course, if there's anything you need, any new requests that you have for new videos that I can do for you, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. Now, I've said enough. Let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing we want to do is recreate these colors in the Lightroom app. So what you want to do is take your picture and open it in the free Lightroom app right now. So we open the free Lightroom app, and now I've chosen this picture right here also of UFO361, and it's also in a dark setting with some light, so it could come close to that parking garage setting. And to me, it looks like as if it was taken on a mobile phone, so this is perfect. Now in the light settings, we want to hit curve on the upper right, and I want you to recreate this simple curve as it is right here. So just a smooth S curve, pull down the shadows a little bit, and then boost up the mid highlights on the upper right a little bit to create that really soft S curve. And once you have this, we are done here. Then we want to just boost up the contrast a little bit to +9, pull down the highlights all the way to -73 right here. And the shadows, we want to boost them up a little to +14. Then we want to pull down the whites all the way to -46 and pull down the blacks as well all the way to -58 right here. Then we go over to the colors tab. Here I want you to just pull down the saturation a little bit to -10, scroll up and hit that grading option right here. The first circle here, the shadows, we just want to pull them to that green blue area, a hue of around 120 right there, and a saturation of 24 is good. So it's 117, 24, that green area for the shadows. That's great. We're not going to change the midtones here, but the highlights, what you want to do is just pull that to a hue of around 50, 55, something like that, and a saturation again of around 23 is good. So it's 49, 29, that is good for the highlights, and we are done here. Now we go over to the effects tab, and you just simply want to pull down the clarity a little bit to -22 just to soften out the image, and then dehaze right here, we want to pull that down a little as well to -10 right there, and then we're done with the colors. Now this is it. Here's the before and after for the colors. Once again, I've created a preset on this look. It's on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in that all presets pack. Now the next thing we want to do is recreate this deformed look that he did with his shoes, with the outfit. And we need an app called Facetune for this one, so it's also linked under this video. Check out Facetune, download that to your phone, and now I'm going to show you how we can do that kind of deformed look on your mobile phone. So we open Facetune right here, and then we hit the camera on the upper left side to import the photo. Go to open photo, and now I've chosen this picture right here also of UFO361 because it kind of stresses the outfit, and I just want to show you the effect on this picture right here. So easily scroll over to where it says reshape down here at the bottom, and now you can use your finger on the screen just to kind of pull in those areas. And we all want to like pull it to the middle a little bit, stress the middle. Don't make it look too crazy yet. Around here is nice, maybe pull down the top a little as well. We can also go to resize right here, the circle on the right side, and now you can use both fingers and just kind of zoom in into the middle where you want the effect to take place even more. Maybe here, stress that middle point a little, not too much, pull it back out. Just kind of play around with this, get creative, maybe the sides a little as well. Pull these out, something like this. And yeah, hit the check mark once you like it, and then you can just easily export the file, save to camera roll, and now it's in your camera roll. And this was the second effect. Once again, here's a before and after. And what we learned today is how to recreate these colors in the first tutorial, and also how to resize or deform the picture to make it look like the effect that UFO361 used on his recent Instagram post. You requested this tutorial a lot. I hope you're happy with the result. This is really the easiest way that I could find. Once again, I've created a preset for you guys to get those color tones right. It's in that all presets pack. The link is under this video with over 100 presets for you to easily paste to every one of your pictures. There's a lot of UFO361 presets in there as well. Most of you guys already have the pack, so thanks so much for that. You can now start working with this preset. It's in your pack now. Just go to the link and check it out. Have fun with that. Thanks so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in my next tutorial. Once again, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future tutorials. Now, thank you so much for watching, and if there's anything you need from me, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. I'm always open for conversation and really excited to hear from you. Thank you so much. Stay creative, stay healthy. Peace.